dry out while we're waiting for it to rise. So now I'm gonna take it. What I'm gonna do now, watch me guys. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This yeast, active dry yeast. Active dry yeast. So the next thing you're gonna see, you see bubbles? See, it's coming. Do you see it? Take 10 minutes and now we're going to add flour and we're good to go. So I'm adding flour to it. This is what I did the last time before we started. So now I know it's proof. Mashed potato will be it. So we mixed it together. Ha! It's happening. Don't turn it on. Let it just stay in there warm. Okay? So I'll see you guys soon. It's happening, guys. It's a breakfast. Yes, my goodness. Yeah, oh my goodness, this is how much it has risen. Goes here. German because I oiled it, it's not too sticky. Brotchen. It's secured, okay? It's secured. Perfect. Actually, I'll put a teaspoon. You start with then now we can increase it after the flour is absorbed, so you don't make a mess of yourself in the kitchen. So I'm cleaning up while that is going on. This is ready. Look at it. It's ready. Yeah. And dust your hands. See, as you can see, the dough is still very wet. It's gluey, gummy, and wet. Because I oiled it, so it's easier to remove. Now I want to put enough flour to the type of consistency of the type of dough I want, because I'm making bread. So I'm just going to knead it together. Since it's wet, flour, that's all, to make it moldable. Just adding some more flour, dust it on it so it's not sticky on the countertop. So but the side dough into the middle, okay? Side into the middle, side into the middle, side into the middle. And then round, round, round. Wet that it sticks in my hand when I knead it. So I put it back in here and spray oil on it. That's it. So I'm going to cover it. Also, let them rise into balls and get them ready to rise again one more time, okay? I'm going to be careful now because it has not gotten a lot of air in it. I don't want to deflate it too much, okay? So I'm going to just divide it into brotchen. This should be enough size. So I'm just eyeballing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of those. So what point, be very gentle with the dough. You fold it from side to the other side into the middle, make it into a round ball, and leave it to rest. Do each of them very gentle. Don't overwork the dough and don't deflate it so much. And leave all to rest together. Cover them. I'm spraying it. Oil it very well. Or you can use a damp towel, that's okay. But I just want to use this. Oh my goodness, wow guys, do you see how much it has risen again? This is the fun part of it, guys. Each time I see it, like, it's so balloony, it's so fluffy, because the yeast is really working. It has already blown up, almost double the shape again. So what I'm going to do now, I will make sure it's well powdered. The table is well powdered with the flour. So I'm gonna for sure try and roll it out first, like into a round shape, and fold it, gently fold it, and then tap 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 and roll it. Actually more rolling like a cigar, like a big cigar or croissant shape. Roll it, roll it, roll it, tap tap tap, roll it, tap tap tap, roll it, tap tap tap, roll it, tap tap tap. And I'm gonna let everything rest. Pinch at the side, just make sure you have the right shape you want and let it rest. Just make sure now the oven is ready for us. We are about to bake. We're just gonna let it rest for about 10 minutes and straight in the oven it goes. Yes, go, the soldiers go. Guys, it's happening. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. And we let it rest for another 30 minutes and we're good to go. Now guys, it's going into the baking time. So I'm gently carrying those little dough babies into the baking tray, and I'm using the scissors right now, as you can see, to snap
when it's cooking,
just to give a cut. You can also use a very very sharp knife to just make designs or line on the dough. This enables the dough to exhale the vapor more or less, to make it to be very crunchy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. It's a sort of baking technique, you know, when the bakers use either sharp razor or sharp knife. I use scissors this time because it's just safer for me and I have children around. Wow, guys, come and take a look at the brotchen.